Live roaches seen crawling in the kitchen recently didn't faze a customer we spoke to, but inspectors had a different reaction. They shut down that restaurant in March due to uninvited guests, and just weeks later, they're back. But the owner tells me he's on top of it, and there's a reason it will never be a problem again. It's tonight's Dirty Dining Report.
Just got a regular Cuban, press, cheese, everything normal on it, it tasted fine and everything.
Austin Crawford ate that signature sandwich at Rubens Cuban Cafe on East Bush Boulevard in Tampa. And Austin says he continued to order despite seeing live roaches crawling on the floor.
I've seen one or two in there. I haven't really seen that many, so.
You've actually seen roaches yourself?
Yeah, but I really don't care about them that much, so.
He might not care much about the roaches, but inspectors do. The state just issuing an administrative complaint against the Cuban Cafe for a repetitive roach problem. The restaurant forced to temporarily close on March 11th because of live roaches. And when inspectors returned March 30th, over a dozen more roaches were seen. Then on April 8th, almost 24 more live and dead roaches discovered under the reach-in cooler in the middle of the kitchen and dry storage area.
You're Ken?
Yeah.
Hi, Ken. I'm Wendy Ryan with ABC Action News.
Owner Ken Johnson telling me he bought the restaurant 8 years ago and stays on top of everything.
Well, I just wanted to ask you about your recent inspections. Because you guys
clear.
Well, you were shut down, but when they just came back, they found more roaches.
They cleaned all that up.
But we're uncovering inspectors had other concerns, including holes in the walls, grease accumulated on the kitchen floor, equipment in poor repair, and food thawing in standing water.
We've been moving around, getting ready to move down to 3 doors down.
Oh, you're moving?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
We're expanding.
He says the new space will give him an extra 1,000 square feet and believes then all of his food safety issues will be over and customers may follow.
So you'd go back?
Oh, yeah.
Meantime, ABC Action News taking action for you right now with other dirty dining restaurants at abcactionnews.com/dining. And if you want to tell me about a dirty restaurant, go to my Facebook page under Wendy Ryan, WFTS, like the page, and let me know.